Good morning. It is Saturday morning. I have flat twists. Don't bother worrying about what I'm wearing or looking like right now. That's how Saturday goes. So I'm getting ready to take a business trip, and Saturday mornings are always a big breakfast morning for us. My husband's at work, and so with that I wanted to cook with Layla and make the kids some homemade pancakes and sausage, and so that's what we're doing. The kettle for my coffee. And here's our setup for our pancakes. I was telling Layla how important it is to cook in a clean kitchen. So our kitchen is clean. We've got this all set out here, and I wanted to show you guys really quickly. I found this at Target for $3, but this is so goes into my vintage farmhouse vibe. But these are conversions, and I use the milliliter conversion and grams, which is not on here, which I wish it was, but because I buy a lot of European cookbooks and they actually cook in milliliters and grams rather than cups and teaspoons or cups and ounces like we do. So yeah, we're gonna get to leave the table. And what I do when there's stuff in places that don't belong is I move them closer to where they go. So this is a pile of stuff I have to go put up. That's clean. That's clean, so I have to fold all of those and then put all this stuff up. Move these kids. They're on their devices. They can only be on devices on Fridays and Saturdays, so they get an hour. So yeah, I need to redo our chalkboard, vacuum, and then I've got to clean out the fridge and do something with this hair. I'm trying to repair some heat damage that I've had. So that's why my hair is looking like this. I did twists and I'm going to see how it comes out. Otherwise, I'll just blow dry it. But that's what I'm going to do. So I have Beyonce on, and that's per the usual when I'm cleaning my house. And then I'll check in with you guys when this is all done. This was a disaster, and unfortunately we had like 12 games, and because the kids don't put the games up properly, we've lost all the pieces. So this is the only games that we have now. This is the monstrosity of a mess that they had in there. This is what it looks like when Mom does it. So yeah, they have these cool stacking cups too that they got from school, and they play these games with that. But yeah, we're gonna work on this stock here. But anyways, here are some cool things I got from Target a while back before the kids started school to prep them for school. Lots of different flashcards for different ages. Like this goes over United States history. This is addition, subtraction, telling time, sight words, money. And I got a few different books for each of their grades just to prep them. And so when they get really bored and they say, I have nothing to do, then we practice these. Or if they're struggling in a certain subject, we'll practice those. But those will go in the game box as well. Clean of the house once a week. I update this board, and fall is in the air, so I decided to use an Oscar Wilde quote. And all at once, summer collapsed into fall. That's cool. So I have to still I have some bags there because I have to pack for a trip to DC, but I've got to pick that up. Other than that, see the difference in how clean. Still have these kids to pick up, but see the difference in how clean. I love a really nice clean house. And so, I'm gonna fix that little drawer right there, but it's vacuum clean. I do still have to take out the trash, mop the floor in the kitchen, sweep, and then there's a few things on the counter. I need to clean off this fridge, and then clean out the fridge. Hey guys, so I just finished mopping and I'm just taking a second to breathe. Basically, when I clean, I normally don't sit down and take a break, especially when I'm cleaning the whole house. So I'm waiting for the floors to dry. And I know this seems like a lot of work, but I don't do much deep cleaning during the week, so I spend like 4 hours on the weekend and I wake up really early to clean. But the nice thing is that I try to be a multitasker. So like right now I have laundry in for the kids. I leave for a business trip next on Tuesday actually. So I like to get all of their clothes cleaned and folded so that Damaris doesn't have to do that part. He'll go grocery shopping before I leave, and then that'll be taken care of. I try to do a deep clean so that during the week he doesn't have to do that. And of course he'll like pick up regular stuff, but at least he doesn't have to like mop and do all that stuff. So while I'm waiting for this to dry, there's laundry in the wash, and then I actually I'm making dinner for a family at church tomorrow, so I ordered those groceries online from Costco, so I'm waiting for those to be delivered. And then I'm also waiting for a few other things to be delivered from Instacart from Safeway. So I'm sort of shopping while I'm cleaning, but I'm actually cleaning, and so that's kind of how I multitask and get some stuff taken care of. I do have to go to the store to get a birthday present for a birthday party this weekend, and so once my deliveries come and I have a chance to clean up the bathroom, both bathrooms, then I will get the kids ready and head out to go do that. So this is like, I'm sure to a lot of people, a boring Saturday, but this is how my Saturdays look. Later I'll be packing for DC, so I'll try to film some of that. And then we're probably gonna either watch a movie or play a board game later tonight after dinner maybe. But that's kind of like how our weekend goes. Unless we have something planned, we try to tackle the things that we weren't able to during the week so that we can start off on a good foot. So yeah, I'll check in with y'all. All right, y'all, so now we've finished most of the chores, and I've got to go run to the store to go get the kids' friend a birthday present, and when I come back, I'll vacuum my room and then pack. I had some packages that came from Amazon, so I'll open those. Then I think I'm gonna blow dry the girls' hair and possibly do some chocolate, but we'll see. They're getting on my nerves. So I find this to be the coolest thing ever. Diversity Band-Aids, where they are actually your skin tone. So this is like the darkest one.
I know, I saw them.
And this is so interesting. I love that. When I was talking about making dinner for the family at church, I try to prep as much as I can the night before. I'm actually making the same exact thing for my husband and I for dinner tonight. So this is a beautiful, beautiful piece of salmon. And I made my own little concoction with butter and olive oil, garlic, and lots of different herbs. And then I'm just gonna let this sit for a moment and then roast it, or I'm sorry, bake it, and serve it with salad. So yeah, it's gonna be delicious. So we're gonna spend about an hour outside playing and doing some chalk play. Layla, you gonna grab some?
I don't know.
And then we're going to get ready for church tomorrow.
Putting chocolate.
Very cool. Now, our house looks so much better. This is how I like my house to look. Lived in.
I'm just glad she showed Leo how to do it.
Okay, so I made the chocolate waffles for the kids, and I didn't like how they turned out. They were really good, but they were kind of like falling apart. So for my husband, I'm making something a little different. I try to create sort of like a brownie skillet made in a cast iron skillet. And I'm gonna top it with whipped cream, caramel, and cherries. So we're rushing around for church today. I just got done cooking for a family for church, and now we are on our way, but I realized I forgot to close out my Saturday vlog. So this is basically Sunday morning, and we just ended up watching movies and chilling last night. So now we are off to church. Thank you all for watching, and I hope that you all are having a wonderful Sunday.